And we're not worrying about the tropics. We are talking about them, but we're not worried about them. Tropical Depression 5. Yes, this was upgraded. Now, kind of interesting in the discussion from the Hurricane Center, they're saying that the center of circulation is looking a little bit better defined. They're basing this on satellite passes. They're able to see the low-level winds. They don't have hurricane hunters out in it, but that they're saying it's still a little elongated, but they went ahead and decided to classify it as a depression as some of the thunderstorms are trying to get going near that center. What's really going to cause some problem for the storm, and that's a good thing, is this motion to the west at 23 miles an hour. It has actually picked up speed. That fast motion usually prevents these storms from just exploding in strength or really from getting very, very strong. Winds are right now at 35 miles an hour, so it wouldn't take it much to become Elsa, and that is expected as we head into probably early tomorrow morning. And then maintaining that strength as a tropical storm across the northern Caribbean. And once it starts to get influenced by the islands, it'll be interesting to see what happens to that low-level circulation. The GFS model that has been the more aggressive with this storm has started to trend from their ensemble, meaning several different runs of the GFS model have been trending more to the east. So Hurricane Center adjusted the track a little bit more to the east, which is good news for us. Again, this is still a long way away, but we like to see that kind of a trend. High resolution satellite really does show a very more defined structure, at least for the storm itself, let alone just the low-level circulation. So it definitely has that appearance of a tropical system. Tropical models, as I mentioned, this is various models, not just the GFS, in good agreement for the next 3 or so days. And then beyond that, they kind of go all over the place, and kind of interesting to see some of them trying to bend this here. But a lot of the trend has been more toward Florida or even off of the East Coast. So that's kind of a trend we would like to see, but there is still a lot of time to go. Here's the reason for that kind of turn toward Florida. What's allowing it to move so fast is the subtropical ridge up to the north. I'm kind of starting this ahead of time on Sunday. Storm continues along that upper ridge, and then it begins turning around the western periphery of the ridge. The reason it's going to turn like this because the ridge is going to be weakened by an upper trough across the East Coast that is going to bring us a cold front for the weekend. And so our weekend rain chances, yeah, they're going to make it not as pretty of a 4th of July weekend, but it may be that upper trough that keeps this storm away from us. And I also want to point out the fact that, yes, the GFS has been very bullish with the development of something. The Euro has not been. The Euro indicates that it is going to weaken over the northern Caribbean, and then nothing actually makes it into the Gulf of Mexico or into the Atlantic. It has the storm completely dissipating by days 4 and 5. So we will see. Live radar, we've had a few little showers kind of popping up along the Mississippi coast, maybe moving into the Slidell area now. Doesn't look like there's any lightning within those storms. And all of the rainfall today, and really a bit more so along the northern Gulf Coast, is because of an upper level low. You can really see that motion on water vapor. Well, this is moving away from us. I don't know if it's really going to influence our weather tomorrow. And in fact, the models have been trending a little bit downward for our rain coverage during the day. Certainly still some pop-up showers and thunderstorms, but our coverage could be a little bit less during the day tomorrow. As we get into the weekend, though, the more important forecast for the holiday, here comes that front. Because of the upper trough that's going to start turning Elsa away from us, the front is going to stall, and that will likely keep our rain coverage on the higher side for the weekend. Not a washout, but certainly a wetter couple of days.